Check out this mini chainsaw, 6-inch from Royal Cell Pro. This thing is amazing. This is a 6-inch cordless chainsaw. It has a battery. It actually comes with 2 batteries. It comes in this hard case with a battery charger, all the accessories you need, including an extra blade and chain, and also the tools you need to tighten it and to put some lubricant in here, and also some safety gloves and safety goggles. Now all you do is press this button and then squeeze the trigger. And I love that it has this protection bracket right here. Just keep your fingers from getting hit if that happens. That's a really, really good detail to have. So very simple to use. It's got the guard right here as well. So if you have a branch, even if you have bigger branches than this, but just check this out. Let's just hold that. It's so easy and works so well. Just perfect for when you're out in your garden and you just have to cut some big tree weeds or some branches that are kind of going a bit out of control. Nice and portable without having the huge chainsaw. This thing is awesome. So I like this a lot. Stays in my garage. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.